Hello guys, welcome to VGAMES. For new visitors, thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. For the older subscribers, thank you so much for keeping up with me. Guys, here is another video on quick fix. Today's video guys, I am going to show you how you can increase the resolution of your video clips, like when you want to upload it on YouTube or when you are recording the screenplay of your PS4 but you don't have a good resolution, so it's kind of blurring when you finish recording. So guys, without any waste of time, I am going to show you how you can increase the resolution. But first, like, subscribe, like, share and make a comment on my video. I hope you guys are enjoying watching these videos. I am going to show you guys a little bit of how the resolution of my games is and how it's like someone just want me on ticket. I don't even know what to say. Okay, anyway guys, all you need to do is go to settings and then guys go to sound and screen, and then all you need to do guys is click on this video output, then click on resolution. So because I am using remote play right now guys, I can't use the video resolution setting, but you can. So choose the resolution that you want. I prefer my videos to be on high quality, so I choose 180 pixels, so you can choose yours also. Thank you so much guys. I hope this video helps you fix the problem of your resolution. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and make comments on my videos. So now I gotta get back. Thank you so much guys.